I'm Mr. Arnel A. Quilio from Manila, Philippines. Before 4 years ago, I have really a big trouble to myself because at the time I get sick. I have we call that a seizure. That is something like an epileptic.
Epilepsy is a common chronic neurological disorder that is characterized by recurrent unprovoked seizures. These seizures are transient signs and/or symptoms due to abnormal, excessive or synchronous neuronal activity in the brain.
And at the same time, I lost my mind because of this chemical drugs. I can say that negligence of the doctor in the hospital. They give me wrong medicine. They inject me, some liquid in injection. They inject me direct to the vein. That's why maybe I get an overdose, lose my mind, and then I get this seizure. So at the time, the way I talk, it's I can feel that my tongue is twisting, something like this. My name is Arnel, so I cannot talk straight. And also my hand, the way I write, my hand is shaking. So really I get a big trouble to myself. I really get sick. So accidentally, my wife goes here in Malaysia and she goes Penang. So she just by near here in Komtar. Then she saw the shop of Dr. Michelle. The name of the shop is FNT shop. Then the time also we meet Dr. Michelle, and Dr. Michelle she looked at me, then she said, okay, looks like your body and your mind, I can see your aura is really so bad. So Dr. Michelle, she said, okay, I will check up to you through with vibration. So meaning through vibration, she never used some machine or instrument. So she used only just vibration went through my hand, something like this. She said to me, okay, lift your hand and make it straight like this. Then she hold her right hand hold here, and her left hand she hold in my body. Then she said, if I said resist, so just resist, because she will push down, then I will resist. So at that time he said, okay, I will push down, you resist, I will push down strong. So she said like this, strong. So I resist. At the time she pushed my hand, she hold my body and my chest and my brain. Then she said, okay, resist. Then he hold here my head. Then later on, after finish this checkup, she said to me, oh, Arnel, I found it that your brain is insufficient supplying of oxygen, meaning to say your brain not totally supplying by this oxygen. Okay, I know now what the medicine to give to you to give back normal your mind. So okay, doc, I will buy that medicine. So at that time also, she take about 8 plastic of bottle that it contains about 30 capsule on each bottle plastic. Then she said to me, okay, Arnela, you will take this one after meal twice a day, because this medicine is really good. Meaning to say, this medicine I give to you is this is really good to your brain, that to give sufficient oxygen, so it will be back normal your mind. So I said, okay doc, thank you so much. So after that, we go back to the hotel. Then after I take the lunch, so I drink that 8 capsule. Then also after dinner time, I drink that 8 capsule. Then for the next day, so I do that the next day. So I do that every time. After a meal, I drink that 8 capsule. After 1 week, I can feel myself, you know, some changes. So also my wife, she said, Papa, looks like you changed. Also your hand, the shaking not too much compared before. Also your eyes, something changed. So I said also, yeah, ma'am, yes, ma'am, I can feel there's a change when I drink this herbal medicine. Then after 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, so really a big change. After after 15 to 20 days, so I really feel that I back in normal. So I face to the mirror, so looks like I remember the past. Also I can feel the way I talk, really I can talk straight. Then also when I write my hand or something form, I can write straight. So I said to myself, oh, it's really amazing. This herbal medicine of Dr. Michelle is really good. Also my wife said, oh, Papa, really a big change. Also I can see the aura of your face, your eyes, the way you walk, the way you write, really big change. So my wife and me said, oh Lord, thanks that through Dr. Michelle, you guide us. So I said, I was recovered by this. Medicine. So we are very happy. We are very happy with my wife. No more seizure until now, after I drink this medicine of Dr. Michelle. So this medicine of Dr. Michelle are really good. So today, so I go here in Penang again this 2008 because I buy again some medicine. I buy medicine to my sister-in-law because she gets sick. So I said to her, better you buy this medicine. These are really good because these are all natural. I mean organic, no chemical drug. So this is the very good medicine. So I thanks to God for the guiding to Dr. Michelle. So I was healed by this medicine. This medicine, all herbal that are made of organic.